welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nova. If you're a 20 subscriber, hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. As y'all can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be coming to you all with a skincare routine. So it is nighttime, so we can call this a nighttime routine, but I do use these products in the morning as well. So however you decide you want to use this routine, if you decide you want to, you can do it morning or night, it doesn't matter, but I'm doing it at night because I need to wash my face. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this. All the products will be listed down below, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really loving them. And yeah, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It feels very lightweight, and that's typically what I go for, especially when it comes to skincare, because I don't really feel that heaviness. So these products are chef's kisses. Elf products are always top tier for me personally. Some people want to spend the big buku money on skincare. Cool, that's you, but me, I'm gonna do it on a budget. I'm always the one to be bougie on a budget. So now y'all see. So if you want to see more videos like this where I am doing more than just hair, make sure that you comment down below and tell me some videos you would like for me to see. Again, I told you I was coming with that consistency, okay? So if you see this outfit, it's because I got a lot of things done. So yes, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms, and they will be in the description down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.